ရုပ်ခံတဲ့လှုပ်ရှားနေတာ catching in on their looks ရုပ်ခံတဲ့လှုပ်ရှားနေတာ catching in on their looks တပံရှင်းလိုက်လို့ I'm gonna throw a punch တပံရှင်းလိုက်လို့ I'm gonna throw a punch ငါသူ့ကိုဖွင့်ပြောလိုက်ပြီ I confess my feelings to her ငါသူ့ကိုဖွင့်ပြောလိုက်ပြီ I confess my feelings to her ဘာတွေပေးဆက်လိုက်ရလဲ What did you sacrifice ဘာတွေပေးဆက်လိုက်ရလဲ What did you sacrifice လို့ပြသွားတာမိုက်တယ်မထင်အောင် Boys he's a dark horse လို့ပြသွားတာမိုက်တယ်မထင်အောင် Boys he's a dark horse တူတူပဲ relatable တူတူပဲ relatable အရှက်တော့ခွဲပြီ bro got exposed အရှက်တော့ခွဲပြီ bro got exposed အဲ့ကောင်5မိုက်တယ် that guy's aura is insane အဲ့ကောင်5မိုက်တယ် that guy's aura is insane လူကြားတဲ့မျက်နှာမပြရတော့ I can't show my face anymore လူကြားတဲ့မျက်နှာမပြရတော့ I can't show my face anymore လွန်နေပြီ Bro is going too far လွန်နေပြီ Bro is going too far ဇလန်လာဗျ Drama is getting serious ဇလန်လာဗျ Drama is getting serious မိုးလင်းတာနဲ့ရင်တွင်းနဲ့ပြန်သူစူတော့တာပဲ The moment morning comes things get busy instantly မိုးလင်းတာနဲ့ရင်တွင်းနဲ့ပြန်သူစူတော့တာပဲ The moment morning comes things get busy instantly ဒီနေ့ကရက်ရစား Today is an auspicious day ဒီနေ့ကရက်ရစား Today is an auspicious day ဒီနေ့တော့ပြတ်တရားပဲ It's a bad day today ဒီနေ့တော့ပြတ်တရားပဲ It's a bad day today I made a song yet an inauspicious day I made a song yet an inauspicious day နဂါကောင်မြောက်တို့လက် The dragon's head faces north နဂါကောင်မြောက်တို့လက် The dragon's head faces north မဟာဘုတ် astrology မဟာဘုတ် astrology လုံးဝအနှစ် pure gold လုံးဝအနှစ် pure gold လက်ဆောင်ထက်တယ် he is very sharp လက်ဆောင်ထက်တယ် he is very sharp ငါဘဝမတွေးရစရာပဲ My life is too hard to even think about ငါဘဝကမတွေးရစရာ My life is too hard to even think about. I didn't see him becoming that famous. I didn't see him becoming that famous. You've become really cold. You've become really cold. Give it a warm compress. Give it a warm compress. Even the smallest things are slipping through. Even the smaller things are slipping through. All I need is warmth. All I need is warmth. Cuteness overload. Cuteness overload. Is his seat taken? Is his seat taken? Just at the corner of the street. Just at the corner of the street. Game winner. Hit 2 targets with 1 move. Game winner. Hit 2 targets with 1 move. Solia Gate. She's thick. Solia Gate. She's thick. She looks innocent, but she's not what you expect. She looks innocent, but she's not what you expect. Stop whining. Stop whining. Allows Korea the Bobawi. That's enough for us to understand. Allows Korea Bawi. That's enough for us to understand. No Mianujai. Old people still like young things. No Mianujai. Old people still like young things. Living in Myanmar like this, it feels impossible to even survive. Living in Myanmar like this, it feels impossible to even survive. Great, now I feel like crying again. Great, now I feel like crying again. The weather is hot and humid. The weather is hot and humid. Chill, bro. Take care of your health. Chill, bro. Take care of your health. ထားပေးနေတာ she's flexing 5ထားပေးနေတာ she's flexing 5လုံးနေပြီကွာ bro is too much already လုံးနေပြီကွာ bro is too much already ဦးတောင်ရေးရတယ် I'm dying laughing ဦးတောင်ရေးရတယ် I'm dying laughing မျက်နှာပြတ်သွားပြီ face reveal went wrong မျက်နှာပြတ်သွားပြီ face reveal went wrong အားချောင်းနေတာ talking nonsense အားချောင်းနေတာ talking nonsense ဇလန်နေရှုပ်နေပြီ drama alert ဇလန်နေရှုပ်နေပြီ drama alert